Hey guys, so today I have a mukbang for you, and in the mukbang today I'm going to be eating some pasta. I believe this is like the seashell pasta kind of thing, I'm not too sure. And I'm going to be using some sriracha in it because I love this stuff. I'm actually literally probably on my 11th bottle since I've started with sriracha, and I'm just going to be munching on some glazed sour cream and onion chips for a little bit. So we're gonna put some sriracha on our pasta, and I personally like my food super spicy. So it smells so good. I'm just gonna get that in there. There we go. I love this type of pasta. It's so, so good. I made this myself, and what I did was I added tomato sauce straight from the can. I used pasta, go figure, and some sriracha for taste. I added basil, Italian seasoning. I added salt, pepper, and some sriracha mixed in with my, what's it called? Tomato paste sauce. Let's get the chips in there. Oh. I want to know how other people make their pasta. If it's like the traditional way, like this, or if they add something else to it. Like, I know some people add milk to their pasta, as weird as it sounds, but a lot of people do add milk. I know a lot of people hate pasta sauce and tomato sauce or whatever, so they use the sauce they use for fettuccine alfredo. I know people eat their pasta just plain. I don't know. Leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear how you eat your pasta. Sorry. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm watching mukbangs or eating ASMRs, I always want to eat what the person's eating. I just get a craving for it. It just looks so good. It's just so good. I really do feel like the type of pasta that you eat varies. Like, I know all pasta is technically the same, just in different shapes, but it tastes different to me when the pasta is shaped differently. Like, I don't do spaghetti. It just doesn't taste as good. And I do use the same ingredients as I use for this, but it just doesn't taste good. You know, as a kid in school, I hated eating in public. I hated it. And the reason being was because I was more on the chunky side, and people always used to call me fat and make fun of me. So that discouraged me to eat in public. And one day I was eating, and when I used to eat my food really, really fast, so none of the kids would notice me eating. And I realized that the kids were talking about me, and they were making fun of how my mouth moved while I was eating. And after that, I just stopped eating. I'd bring all my lunches back home, or I'd throw them out before I even got home so my mom wouldn't notice. I just felt like something was wrong with the way I was chewing, because all the kids were talking about it. Even though I never noticed people chewing and thinking it was weird. I thought them noticing me chewing weird was weird. So, I guess this is me conquering my fears. Eating on camera. And to be honest, I've seen people chew in all sorts of ways. Chewing means nothing. So go ahead and chew the way you do. Own it, girl. Own it. So, with all that rambling, I finished my pasta. But I could go for some chips right now. So, we're going to bring that here. We're going to chew. honestly, I could sit here and eat like nobody's watching. Or I could sit here and eat like the whole world is watching. I'm gonna eat the way I always eat chips. Like nobody is watching. Which means I'm gonna grab this much. With my mouth full. And there I go again. Thumbs up this video if you want to get over that eating stigma. And eat, however, the way you please. I feel like I got too much salt in my system, so I'm going to stop with that as well. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I will be back with more. Until then, stay tuned and thumbs up this video. Can't even speak. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel. I make new videos almost every other day. I will be starting to upload every single day. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.